Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my lovely friends. Once again, happy new month. Today, I love to share knowledge. Today, this is my first time. I want to learn how to do okpa. The English name is bambara seed, and it has a lot of health benefits. I will just tell you a few of it. It is very good for diabetes. It helps to regulate blood sugar. It's one of the food that when you eat it, your sugar level will not spike up. So yesterday somebody teach me how to do it. I just say let me give it a try. So please follow me. Let us try it together. There is no harm in trying new thing. So today the process. This is okpa flour, and I'm using 1 derica. I don't know if you know what is derica. Okay, let me finish mentioning the ingredients. I just decided to add scent leaf. Scent leaf. Yoruba call it efrin. Igbo call it nchon. I decided to add it because some of the okpa I used to have vegetables. Some put pumpkin leaf. But me, I decided to put scent leaf because of the health benefits of scent leaf. I do make use of it. I love scent leaf so much. It's good to the health, so I decided to put it. So let's see how it's going to look. And also another ingredient is pepper, fresh pepper. See, I've already pounded my pepper. And another one is sea salt. You can use any salt you want, but I use sea salt because of the health benefit. Another one is my red oil, original red oil. You can see it's original red oil from the east. I also want to put this in. It doesn't need a lot of ingredients because it has its own natural sweetness. So I don't need a lot of ingredients, but I just decided to put it. Let me see how it will look like. And me, I'm not going to use nylon because of health benefit. I mind what I eat. I don't eat anyhow. So I have with me a plate. This plate is more than 10 years in my house. I've not been using it frequently, but today, you see, that is why it's good to have property. You don't know the day you make use of it. So you see my plate. It's yesterday I learned how to do this. I want to try it. See my plate. I'm going to use it to do it instead of nylon. Okay, the process. Let me shake my oil so that it looks nice. It has a lot of process, so some used to put warm water first before mixing it. But me, the one I learned, or the one I want to do is this one. I put my oil. It consumes a lot of oil. It consumes a lot of oil, but it's still good. So you turn it. Turn it, keep on turning it until it's dissolved. Keep on turning it very well until it dissolves. Okay, sorry, I forget to show you. This is my hot water. I have warm water already beside me. This is my hot water. It's in this plate. This is my hot water. Sorry. Please like, share, follow me for more things, more healthy food. This era we are now is not the era that you say you don't know how to do a lot of things. You can learn. Even in social media, you can learn. Your friends will also teach you how to do them. See, you turn it very well. Make sure you turn it very well before adding other ingredients to it. And the only thing I'm going to mix here now together is my grounded pepper and salt and the warm water. So the leaf I will not mix it together. I have to put it on top of the plate or inside the plate after I have dish it out in the plate. It's not easy, to become a mother is not easy. You need to learn a lot of things. You need to learn a lot of things. Okay? Should I stand up and do it? Some use hands to do it, but I decided to use this spoon. What do you suggest? Is it good? So use hand. You can wash your hand properly and use your hand and do it, but I decided to use this spoon. I think it's better for me now. Hope this okpa come out delicious. Delicious. It will, by God's grace, it will. Okay. I think I'm good to go. Do you see how it is? You see it? Do you see how it is? You see how it is? Make sure you put enough oil. So this time now, I'm going to put my pepper, my grounded pepper. You put a lot of pepper, depending your this thing, how you desire it. Somebody that don't like more pepper will just put as you want. No measurement for pepper, depending on your choice. But I love pepper. You know, pepper is also healthy. Pepper is healthy. So I'll put my sauce. No Maggi inside this thing. Cannot put Maggi on it. So I'll add my warm water. Make sure that you turn it very well. Make sure it's not too thick. Make sure it's not too thick and it's not too watery. Let it be moderate. It will not be too thick, it will not be too watery. Let it be moderate. Let it be moderate. So that is why it's good when you are mixing the water. Mix it gradually, don't just pour everything. I've already put hot water so that it will not waste time. So stay tuned, still come back for the part 2 and see when it's done. I'll still make video for that. See, it's still thick. Let me add a little bit. You can actually test it to know whether the salt is okay. You can test it. Let me test. I think it's okay. The salt is okay. You see how it is. It's not thick, it's not too water. So the main ingredients is salt, hot water, your okpa flour or bambara seed. It has high fiber. It contains fiber. I know fiber is good for body. It also helps for chest. If you are having heart pain, this is one of the food you should love eating to help the blood flow well. It's also good for high blood pressure because it contains fiber and it's highly proteinous. So it helps diabetes patients. They normally lose weight, but it will help you to gain weight because of the high protein. It is highly proteinous. At least instead of giving your children tea, bread, start to make this one. It's not costly. It's not too costly. Prepare it. It's highly proteinous for growing children. Sorry for the way I thought. This one I tested. I need to put it out. I will add some more water still. I think we are good to go. So the plate. So this leaf now, I'll just add a little bit. I'll put one of this one inside and cover. Or better still, let me use one of the plates so that it will be faster. Let me use one of these plates so that it will be faster. Add little leaf, put one of this. I'll put two because this one is a little bit big. Put the plate has cover. And the last one. It's 9. Cover it. This my plate has it's 2 size. The first one I bought was small, so I went to market and buy the big size. I have 2 dozen. I have 2 dozen of the plates. So you see it, it's 9 in number. I'll clean this one. I have to clean it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and share. Okay, like and share, and follow me for more. When it's done, I will come and do another video for it. Bye.